To access session notes completed by your psychologist following your session, please firstly log on to your MyMirror account and navigate to the Past Sessions tab. This can be found in the right-hand side drop-down bar or down the left-hand side of your profile. Here you can view all past sessions and select the completed session in which you would like to review your session notes. Then click View Notes. Here you can view your summary of session and recommendations and next steps, plus any attachments or documents you and your psychologist may have discussed in session. If there is a document your psychologist has asked you to complete, you can download the document, and once complete, you can re-upload by clicking Add Attachment back to the case notes for your psychologist to review. Please note, you can also view your most recent session notes directly via your dashboard. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer success team on 02 9090 4730 or hello@mymirror.com.au.